Hi, in this video I will show you how to integrate GrooveSell with ProductDyno using GrooveSell's native integration. First of all, go to the GrooveSell's website. After coming to the site, go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the 3 lines menu and select My Integrations. As you can see, it says you have no integrations. To create an integration, click on Add Integration button. Now, we have to choose integration type and integration description. To integrate with ProductDyno, we have to choose the ProductDyno option in the drop-down menu. After doing that, we have to write a description. You can write whatever you want. I am just naming it as my ProductDyno account. Now, we have to enter the API key here. To get the API key, go back to your ProductDyno account and click on My Account. After going to My Account, you will find the API keys section. Now, we have to create a new API key for our GrooveSell account. To do that, just click on Add API Key. Choose a title for our new API key. I am just naming it as GrooveSell. After choosing a title, just hit the Create button. Now, we have to copy the API key and paste it in our GrooveSell account. After that, go back to GrooveSell's website and paste the API key in the box. After it's done, just hit the Update button below. As you can see, ProductDyno integration just appeared on the page. Now, click on the Exit button on the top. After doing that, we have to click on GrooveSell on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, go to Funnels page by clicking Funnels on the left-hand side. Here you can see all your funnels that you have created. Select one of your funnels and click on Actions button and now click on Manage Products. Here you can see all your products. Now choose one of the products and click on the Edit button. Now, go to the Fulfillment tab. After that, we have to go to the Integrations tab. There are no integrations yet, so to create one, click on the Add New Integrations button on the right-hand side. Choose a type. We are working with ProductDyno, so we will choose that. After choosing the type, we also have to choose the integration we created earlier. After that, we can choose either a single product or a product collection, so in this video, I am choosing product. And now we have to choose the specific product. I am choosing this one. You can also choose a collection if you want. And after that, choose a collection you have already created. As you can see, we can't click the Add Integration button because we didn't add it in our ProductDyno account. To do that, go back to your ProductDyno account. Now click on Collections on the left-hand side. Choose the collection you want to add in your GrooveSell account, and click on the Manage button. After clicking on Manage, click on the Payment Gateway button. Now, click on Add Payment Gateway button on the right-hand side of the screen. Choose a title for your new payment gateway, and choose the gateway for it. We will choose GrooveSell option and choose a product ID, and after that you can either choose all your products in your collection, or choose a specific one. And now just hit the Save button. You can also create more payment gateways for each product. I am creating another payment gateway for all of my products in the collection. The process is same as the previous one. But this time we will choose all products in the collection. Go back to GrooveSell's website and choose the collection we want. And select the payment gateway we created on ProductDyno. Now just hit the Add Integration button. As you can see, we have successfully integrated our ProductDyno account with GrooveSell. This is all for this video. I will see you in the next one.